Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add images and hyperlinks to existing signature in Outlook. This is a great way to make your email signatures more professional and interactive, allowing recipients to click through to your website or view your company logo directly in your signature. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, wait for your emails to fully load. This ensures that all your account settings and preferences are properly synchronized before we begin making changes to your signature. Now that your email has loaded, we need to navigate to where your signature settings live. Look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Outlook houses most of its account and application settings. Once the File menu opens, scan down to the very bottom part of the menu. You'll notice an option that says Options. Click on it. This will open the Outlook Options window, which contains all the customization features you'll need. From here, look at the left side menu and click on Mail. This section controls everything related to how your emails are composed and formatted. Under the Mail section, you'll want to look for a button labeled Signatures. Click on it and a signature editor window will appear. This is the heart of where you'll manage all your email signatures. From here, simply select the existing signature you wish to modify. Once you click on it, the existing content of that signature will appear in the editor below, ready for you to enhance. Now comes the fun part, adding those images and hyperlinks. To insert a hyperlink, look at the formatting toolbar within the signature editor and click on the hyperlink button. An Insert Hyperlink window will pop up on your screen. Here you'll see an address bar where you need to type in the URL you wish to link your text to. Make sure you enter the full web address, starting with http:// or https://. Next, fill in the text to display field with whatever text you want your recipients to see and click on it. Right beside the hyperlink button, you'll notice an Add Image option. Click on it and a File Explorer window will open up. This lets you browse through your computer to find the perfect image for your signature. Navigate to where your image is stored, select it, and click on Insert. The image will now appear in your signature editor alongside any text or hyperlinks you've added. Before you close out of everything, this is crucial. Make sure to click the Save button. This finalizes all the changes and updates your existing signature with the new images and hyperlinks you've just added. Without saving, all your hard work will be lost. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your Outlook signature with clickable links and professional images that will make every email you send stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.